Okay, so here we are going, we're testing this rare 1969 Porsche 912 combination switch, which is unique in several ways in that 69 here, as opposed to the early 356 switch, which this is very similar to. This has an extra wiring harness on it to handle the four-way emergency flashers. So we're going to go through with every continuity here, and we're testing these things. Actually, go ahead and flip it on for a sec here, okay, Steve.
Push.
We're testing it here on a pair of 100-watt quartz halogen lamps, and actually here, let's go up here. We're actually operating it on 9 amps. So this is far more than any of these contacts will ever see, but it indicates the the viability here of the contacts in the switch. Okay, so basically you just did the push forward,
Push
right?
one, yeah.
And we saw that illuminate.
Okay,
and
so this is pull here.
Now this is it's normal headlight situation, and it is operating fine on those contacts.
Okay, and then we got to do pull further, which is white, to red and white.
The schematic that he's using, we had to make ourselves for practical testing from an original equipment supplied wiring diagram and all the known DIN numbers. So go ahead, pull it again.
Okay, this is pull further, we call it.
It's high beam
normally
flash.
Here, that's normal, so you have to pull a little bit further than towards yourself.
And you got your high beam flash.
And it does whatever that is.
Okay,
yeah.
Great.
Okay.
All right, so we've got headlights low, we've got headlights high, and we've got headlights flash.
Okay, so then we got output on wire number, or wire red, from that plug to the red wire, which is there, and also to the red with black. Okay, on your schematics it says black with red stripes here. I wrote black with green. That was a mistake, so correct that on your schematics.
Yeah, if you have a copy of this schematic there, Ronald, there was a color code misinterpretation there, sorry.
Yeah.
All right,
okay,
go ahead
so
and...
I'm doing...
Now, are we doing left and right now?
No, we're just doing connections that come out of this plug to output wires to be sure they're still connected.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
okay,
this wiring harness interfaces in between the turn signals and the emergency flasher, and we're just confirming conductivity through the harness now without any switch operation. So,
okay, that's black and red, wherever that is. Black and red. Should be a black and red wire. Oh, here it is.
Okay, again,
so
this just confirms that the...
We have continuity from the pin.
Yeah, the continuity from the pin to the to the main harness.
And now we got to go to black. Black with white checks is this one. There we go.
Yeah, once again, because this is an interfaced harness, we're confirming conductivity through the interfaced harness to assure, and there we go again, that all of the electrical wires do have conductivity underneath their splices in the harness.
All right, so now, black with green and white, where is that? That's here. Okay, this is one of the left turn signal functions.
Okay.
And this is one of the right turn signal functions.
There we go.
And this is a second set of left and rights. Okay, it's all gray.
Why two sets of left and rights? Because this thing has to work in conjunction with the emergency flasher switch. So we're sending signals around the emergency flasher switch when it's in the off position.
Okay, this is left.
Okay.
And this is right.
Okay, that concludes the test, I think.
Yes, it does.
Right. So once again, here's physical confirmation at high amperage that all the contacts operate properly and that the switch is totally functional in every regard. So thank you for your attention.